Guys, I found bedrock in real life. Look. I'll get this wood. That is the real bedrock. I cannot break it. Let's try this hammer. This is not a hammer, by the way. Let's just try. Bro, it damaged, bro. It's so hard to break. Let's try this stone. Look, it break. The bedrock, bro.